Hi guys, Dave's here. Well, today we're going to do some work on the CNC, and I bought me some of these foam mats that you stand on from Harbor Freight, and I'm going to attempt to carve them on my Xcarve CNC to make fit my wrenches. Now, I've designed this in Vectric and everything, and had to do some measuring on the tools, the length and everything, and this is what I come up with. Now, I'm going to be using my Xcarve, and I was thinking, how am I going to fasten foam down to it? Well, let me show you what I'm going to do. What I've got here is a piece of melamine, and it's roughly 2 foot by 2 foot. So what we'll do is put some down. Okay, I got the blue tape on the melamine board, and now put some blue tape on the bottom side of the foam mat. This will be the top side. Since this is lightweight, I think we can just use craft bond on this. Okay guys, I've got it mounted in my CNC now, and sit down. I can brace that melamine board in there then, and this seems like it's stuck pretty good. I made me an X in the middle, so I'm going to install me a 1/8 inch bit to begin with, and center it up, and then we'll start carving. So it looks like it's fitting pretty good, so I'm, might have to adjust it just a hair, but I think I'm going to go ahead and change and put the 1/4 inch bit in there and do the rest of them. Okay, I've got it cut out now. Let's take it out here. I think these fuzzies will clean up pretty easy. Well, the little fuzzies was a little bit harder to take off than I thought. I had to sand quite a bit on it. I'm going to get me a different bit, one that's for cutting foam, to see if that helps that out. I've done pretty good on some of them here. This one's not down fitting right. This one's not fitting right. This one I made too long, and there's a few on that side. I said most of them come out good. I just got to redesign it a little bit. Here's version 2.0. I changed it just a little bit, and still had to clean off the fuzzies and everything if I can do them. It wasn't quite as bad. I changed the setting in Vectric and everything, but if this was a little bit harder, I think we wouldn't have that. But I'll show you a picture of the cutters I used on this, and then plus the speeds I used on it. Well, I hope everybody likes this. Remember, we can do all kinds of things with our CNC. As always, thanks for watching, guys.